Welcome to Spring Lib.
In this question, given data is there is a railroad car whose mass is given, that is mass of railroad car is equal to capital M. And now in the question it is saying that this railroad car is initially at rest on frictionless rail, and after it, in the question it is saying that there is a man given having mass, that is small m, so I can say that the mass of man will be, first here I am writing that is given, that is small m. So now in the question it is saying that the man is starting moving on the car towards the engine. So if the car recoils with a speed that is given v backwards on the rail, then in the question it is saying that with what velocity is the man approaching to the engine. So here we have to find the velocity of man which is approaching the engine. So this question is given. Now let's start answering this question. So in the answer I can say that the mass of railroad car will be, that is given capital M, and the mass of man will be, that is given small m. Now in the question the given, that is the car recoils with a speed v backwards on the rail. So now next step is, here I am considering that is, let the man of mass m approaching towards the engine with respect to towards the engine with a velocity, that is v dash. So here I had considered the velocity of man which is approaching to the towards the engine, that is v dash. So now I can say that the velocity of man with respect to earth will be written as, that is v dash minus v, where v is a car recoils with a speed v as given in the question. So here I can say that velocity of man with respect to earth will be written as that is v dash minus v towards right, direction is, that is towards right. So now next step is, here you can see that there is a no external force but is acting. So I can say that the velocity of center of mass will be, that is equal to 0. So I can say that the next step will be written as, that is 0 is equal to minus capital M multiplied by V plus small m multiplied by v dash minus v. So here I had taken a law of conservation of momentum so that the result will be written as that is 0 is equal to minus mv capital M multiplied by v plus small m multiplied by parenthesis of v dash minus v. So now simplify it, then it will be written as that is capital M multiplied by v will be equal to m multiplied by parenthesis of v dash minus v. So again simplify it, then I will get the value of v dash that is equal to parenthesis of 1 plus m capital M over small m multiplied by v. So this is the answer of given question, that is velocity of man which is approaching the engine, that is v dash is equal to 1 plus capital M over small m multiplied by v. So it means in the parenthesis I can say that 1 plus capital M over small m multiplied by v. So this is the answer of given question. Hence I had solved the question completely. Thank you.